there, Sarah here with saraobags, helping you find fun and functional solutions for your lifestyle. So today I am going to do a product demo on the window shopper. So this print here is the Geo Weave. There are 3 different prints and all 3 are fabric type material, and you can see since it's fabric it is not like a stand tall type of bag. It will sit and is more flimsy, I guess is the word you can say. You have the caramel faux leather handles. On the front you do have an open pocket, and then on the back you do have your cell phone pocket. There are crossbody straps where if you want to detach them you can with the lobster claw, and then on the inside you have just one big zipper pouch and otherwise just wide open. So to give you an idea of size, if you want to it's a medium sized bag, and then with the crossbody strap. Okay, very cute though, but like I said, it comes in 3 prints and it runs for $60. So if you want to find out more information about this bag, make sure you click the links below, and if you enjoy watching these demos, make sure you subscribe. But otherwise, thanks for watching.